Today, I want to talk about this inner ear line, which looks like a scribble when you want to draw it, especially for the first time. But it's actually not that random, and you can simplify it really easy, and I show you how. So here's the outline, simple curve, nothing special. We'll spice it up later in another episode. And that inner scribble can be broken down into two parts, and we'll skip the anatomy talk now, okay? The first part is the line of the tiny front shape, which usually sticks out a little from the plane of the ear, and then it continues down with a small curve. So if you look at this whole line, it kind of looks like a question mark, right? Of course, it depends on how you draw your question marks, but it's a pretty recognizable one, I think, so the idea should still click. And the second part is a bigger curve, which much simpler, and starts up here at the top and runs around the whole ear. Now we are talking about 3D forms here, so this curve doesn't stay sharp all the way down. Instead, it slowly melts into the overall ear shape, so we don't have to pull it all the way down, just let it taper and disappear. That's it. This is a simplified but clearly readable cartoon ear, exactly what we need. And we've simplified the inner scribble just enough to make it work for our cartoon characters. Now we can simplify it more if we want, of course, and of course we want. So we can draw this inner scribble, which is not a scribble for us anymore, right? With just one line like this. At least this is what I usually do. Okay, it's actually two movements. So one curve here and another one to finish it. But I found this to be the easiest, still readable, nice little cartoon ear. We'll stop here for this quick tip, but I'm also making a complete ear tutorial for you with more ear types and fun variations. So stay curious, keep sketching, and I see you in the next one.